Start by making a straight line. Here, we're going to use a bit more powder. To create the petals, spread the powder lightly with your finger like this. This is one of the more basic kolam patterns. Make the center of the flower like this. Here, we're using yellow for the center of the flower, but you can use any color you'd like. We'll use 2 shades of purple for the petals. Here, we'll add a bit more white powder between each petal. This kolam is great for beginners. Be creative, see which color combinations you can come up with. Kolam is used in various religious and spiritual practices, but you can use it to make a number of different patterns like this flower. Your flower is now finished.